Networking is the lifeblood of career growth, fostering connections that open doors to opportunities. Whether at events or online, mastering the art of networking is key. Here are 50 tips to enhance your networking game and forge meaningful professional relationships. Listen attentively. Engage by actively listening to others, it shows respect and builds rapport. Be genuine. Authenticity fosters trust and creates lasting connections in networking. Follow up. After meeting someone, send a thoughtful follow-up message or email within 24 to 48 hours. Offer help. Provide value by offering assistance or resources to your network contacts. Maintain eye contact. It signifies confidence and sincerity in networking conversations. Attend diverse events. Explore various networking events to expand your connections beyond your industry. Share your passion. Communicate your enthusiasm for your work, it's contagious and memorable. Research attendees. Before events, learn about key attendees to initiate relevant conversations. Develop an elevator pitch. Craft a concise, engaging introduction about yourself and your goals. Be memorable. Share a unique story or perspective that distinguishes you in conversations. Utilize social media. Engage on platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals and join industry groups. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage deeper conversations and show genuine interest. Express gratitude. Appreciate others' time and insights, it leaves a positive impression. Respect personal space. Be mindful of physical boundaries when networking in person. Build a diverse network. Connect with people from different backgrounds and industries for varied perspectives. Stay updated. Keep abreast of industry news and trends to engage in insightful conversations. Volunteer at events. It's a great way to meet new people while contributing to the community. Practice your pitch. Refine your introduction to be clear, concise, and impactful. Follow through on promises. If you commit to something, ensure you deliver, it strengthens credibility. Join professional associations. Access exclusive networking opportunities and industry insights. Exchange contact information. After a meaningful conversation, exchange contact details for future connections. Be patient. Building meaningful relationships takes time, nurture connections gradually. Attend workshops and seminars. Participate in educational events to network while learning new skills. Be present. Avoid distractions and focus on the person you're conversing with during networking. Create value. Share useful resources, articles, or introductions with your network connections. Dress appropriately. Dress according to the event's dress code to make a positive impression. Offer introductions. Connect people within your network if their interests align. Show enthusiasm. Express genuine interest in others' achievements and endeavors. Use storytelling. Narrate experiences or anecdotes to make your conversations engaging. Respect differing opinions. Accept diverse viewpoints respectfully during networking discussions. Practice active networking. Engage in networking regularly to maintain connections and grow your network. Learn from others. Embrace opportunities to learn from the experiences and insights of others. Be adaptable. Adjust your approach based on the networking environment and audience. Share your expertise. Offer insights or advice that showcase your knowledge and expertise. Follow networking etiquette. Respect event rules and guidelines to maintain professionalism. Be concise. Avoid dominating conversations, allow for balanced participation. Acknowledge achievements. Congratulate and celebrate the successes of your network connections. Be approachable. Wear a welcoming smile and open body language to encourage conversations. Respect time. Value others' time, be punctual for meetings and appointments. Create a networking strategy. Set goals and strategies for your networking efforts to make them purposeful. Seek mentors. Connect with experienced professionals for guidance and mentorship. Mind your online presence. Maintain a professional online profile across social media platforms. Follow up periodically. Stay in touch with your network by periodically checking in with them. Attend social gatherings. Participate in informal gatherings to network in a relaxed environment. Express vulnerability. Being genuine about challenges can foster deeper connections in networking. Ask for advice. Seeking advice shows respect for others' expertise and builds rapport. Attend networking mixers. Explore events where professionals from various industries mingle. Conclusion. Networking isn't just about exchanging business cards, it's about cultivating genuine relationships. These 50 tips can help you navigate the networking landscape, forging meaningful connections that propel your career forward. Keep learning, adapting, and nurturing your network for long-term success.